Class, today we are going to talk about exponents. You have already read about exponents in your previous class, and today we are going a step further in the exponents. Just have a quick revision. We have already learned about exponent in class 7. Just have a quick revision on it. Suppose here is a number. How can we read it? We will read it as 4 raised to the power 10. Here 10 is the base and 4 is exponent. Our base is 10 and 4 is exponent or power. In class 7, you have only dealt with the positive exponent. In class 8, we will deal with negative power or negative exponent. Before that, let's have a quick revision on the laws of exponent. Before talking about laws of exponent, there is one thing I want to tell you. Suppose here is a number a and its power is negative m. How can we write it? We can do the reciprocal of a and make the power positive, make the exponent positive. For example, 7 raised to the power minus 3. You can write it as 1 upon 7 power 3. Now let's talk about the exponent. Some of the laws of exponent you have already read in class 7. When bases are same and they are in multiplication. When bases are same, a raised to the power m, a raised to the power n. The a becomes common and the powers get add. You can write a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n as a raised to the power m plus n. Now let's take an example. Here is 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by raised to the power 2 raised to the power 5. You can write it as 2 minus 3 plus 5. How can you solve it? Sign of plus here because 5 is greater than 3 and you always put the sign of the greater number. So this is 2 to the power 2. You can solve it as 2 into 2 equals to 4. Let's talk about second law of exponent. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. Here bases are same and the powers are different. So we can write it as a raised to the power m minus n. Let's see an example. 7 raised to the power 5 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 9. You can write it as 7 5 minus 9. Here this is our m and this is minus 9 is our n. So m minus n. We will solve it as minus minus plus. So 5 plus 9, 7 raised to the power 14. This is our answer. Now let's see some more example of these two properties. For example, 6 raised to the power 4 multiply by 6 raised to the power minus 7. Our bases are same, so powers will get add up. 6 and powers will get add. 4 plus minus 7. Plus minus minus 7 minus 4 3. And we will put the sign of minus because we always put the sign of the number which is greater. Now our exponent is in negative. So we will do the reciprocal of 6, 1 upon 6 and the power is 3. 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3. Another example. 8 raised to the power 4 divided by 8 raised to the power plus 5. Let's see. Our bases are same and are in divide. So our powers will get subtracted. 4 minus 5. Plus minus minus, answer is 1 and we will put the sign of minus. because 5 is greater than 4. Here our exponent is in negative. Our exponent is negative. So what we will do? We will do the same. We will do the reciprocal of 8. 1 upon 8 raised to the power 1. And power 1 is written as this. This is our answer. Now let's talk about third law of exponent. Here our bases are different but the powers are same. This is a raised to the power m, b raised to the power m. So here a and b get multiplied and the power is common to both of them. Now let's see reverse of it. You have given a into b and raised to the power d. You can write it as a raised to the power d and b raised to the power d. Example: 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 5. Our here bases are different but the powers are same. So we will multiply 2 by 3 and the power is common to both of them. 2 into 3 6. 6 raised to the power 5, and you can solve it further as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Answer is 7776. Now let's see a similar property when the bases are different but powers are same. A raised to the power m when divided by b raised to the power m, we will get a divided by b and power m. A divided by b raised to the power m. See an example: 9 raised to the power 10, 3 raised to the power 10. Here 9 and 3 are in division. So we can write it as 9 divided by 3 raised to the power 10. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 3 raised to the power 10. So our answer is 3. We will multiply 3 10 times. 3 into 3 into 3 to 3 into 3. And whatever we will get will become our answer. Now let's see fifth law of exponent. A raised to the power m raised to the power n. When we have power of power or exponent of exponent, then the powers will get add up. Here we can write m plus n. Now let's see an example. 2 raised to the power 3 and raised to the power 4. So here the powers will get add up. 3 and 4 will get add. 3 plus 4 7. Answer will be the 2 raised to the power 7, and we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write 2 7 times. 1 2 3. Our answer is 128. Now let's talk about another property of exponent. When you have 0 exponent, when you have 0 as your exponent, then the answer is 1. In every case, whenever you will have 0 as an exponent, the answer will become 1. Example: 7 raised to the power 0, 1. 11 raised to the power 0, 1. 170 raised to the power 0, 1. In any condition, whenever you have 0 as exponent, the answer will be 1. Let's see some examples of these laws. First example is evaluate 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 2. So we have already learned whenever our exponent is negative. Here our exponent is negative. We will reciprocal the number. So here 1 upon 2 will become 2 and our exponent will become positive. And we can solve it as 2 into 2, 4. Now let's see another example. 4 raised to the power minus 3. Whenever our exponent is minus 3, we do the reciprocal of number. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4 and our exponent will become positive. Now we can solve it as 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Answer is 1 upon 64. Now see another example. 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3. See it singularly. Here 2 raised to, we can write it as 2 raised to the power minus 3 and 3 raised to the power minus 3. Here we do the reciprocal of this number. 2 will become this. And when you will do the reciprocal of 3, it become this. And our exponent will become positive. So here 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. So what you have done, basically you have reversed the fraction. You have just reversed the number. You can solve it as this. This is our answer. Let's take another example. 7 upon 10 raised to the power 0. We have learned whenever our exponent is 0, the answer is become 1. The answer is 1 in each case whenever we have 0 as exponent. 8 upon 3 raised to the power 3, 8 upon 5 raised to the power 5. You see here bases are same. So we can write it as 8 upon 5. And when bases are same, our powers are add. Our powers will get add. So 3 plus minus 5. We can solve it further as plus minus minus, and 3 minus 5 is 2, and we will put the sign of minus because 5 is greater than 3. Now here our exponent is negative. We have to make it positive. So we will do the reciprocal of this number. We will write 5 upon 8 raised to the power 2, and we will solve it. 5 upon 8 into 5 upon 8, answer is 25 upon 64. What we have done? We have just added up the exponent and then make our exponent positive and solve it further. Now how will you solve this question? Here neither the bases are same nor the powers are same. This is a very easy question. You will just solve it like 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 power 2 into, you will do the reciprocal of this, 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Now this is our 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 3 into 4 upon 3 into 4 upon 3. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. These get cancelled. Our answer is 4 into 4 upon 3 into 3 into 3. We will get 4 4s is 16. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. This is our answer. We just have solved this question without using any property. Let's see another example. 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power minus 3. Here we have power of power. So all we have learned already in the laws, whenever we have power of power or exponent of exponent, these two exponents get add up. So 3 upon 2, 2 plus minus 3. We have add 2 with minus 3. Now 2 plus minus minus. 3 minus 2 is 1, and we will put the sign of negative because 3 is greater than 2. Now our exponent is again negative. We have to make it positive. So we will do the reciprocal of 3 upon 2 as 2 upon 3. Exponent 1. This is our answer.